How to change WooCommerce button style in WordPress. Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the button style in WooCommerce on your WordPress site. Whether you want to adjust the colors, size, or font, I'll walk you through a simple way to customize your WooCommerce buttons. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance and then Customize. In the Customizer, look for the WooCommerce section and then select Buttons. From here, you can adjust button colors, text colors, and even hover effects. Make your desired changes and click Publish to see them live. For more advanced styling, you can add custom CSS, still in the Customizer. So scroll down and click on Additional CSS. And here's an example of change the button size and border. Now, go to your WooCommerce store and refresh the page to see the new button style in action. Your changes should apply immediately, giving your buttons a fresh look. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce button style in WordPress in 2 methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.